Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to share screen on Discord mobile. So actually guys, there are some prerequisites for or to do that. You will need to update the Discord app, so download the latest from Play Store or App Store, and even you will need to have a stable internet connection, and also you must join a voice or video call. So everyone, you will need to launch the Discord app on your Android or iPhone, then log in if you haven't already. After that, you will need to join a voice or video call. So you have two options. Even from a server, so for example, I will just join a server just like that one. So I will pick a room and then I will tap on join voice. And after that, everybody, once I joined the voice, I will need to tap on the drop down menu and then hold and scroll up. Right, so then I will be able to see the option of share your screen. So just tap on it and then go with try it out. And after that, just go and tap on start now. Then you will be able, or you will share your screen instantly. And even you can just make call with someone, or yes, someone on your Discord. So that's a private call. And right here, you will be able to just do the same steps that we already do on the server. Then just go with start now and the screen of your phone will be shared. So everybody, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.